안녕하세요, 여러분. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Learn Korean with Clara Sen. 한국어 같이 배워요. This video is dedicated only to the pronunciation of the Korean alphabet, vowels, and consonants so that you can review each pronunciation. You can see all the pronunciations in only one lesson, and that is pretty convenient. If you need to know more about this topic, you can check out my previous detailed videos on Hangul. First of all, let's review the pronunciation of the simple vowels, which are 10 in number. A, A, Ya, Ya, O, O, Yo, Yo, O, O, Yo, Yo, U, 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 으, 으, 이, 이. Now, here are the 11 double vowels. 에, 에, 예, 예, 에, 에, 예, 예, 와, 와, 왜, 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 위, 위, 와, 와, 왜, 왜, 의, 의. This time, let's practice with the simple consonants which are 9 in number. 그, 그, 느, 느, 드, 드, 르, 르, 무, 무, 부, 부, 스, 스, 응, 응, 즈, 즈. Now let's practice the pronunciation of aspirated simple consonants. There are 5 of them. Please be careful when you pronounce them and remember to release the air from your mouth. If you want to know if you are pronouncing correctly, put your hand in front of your mouth. You can feel the air coming out of your mouth if they are pronounced correctly. 치, 치, 크, 크, 트, 트, 프, 프, 흐, 흐. Finally, the 5 double consonants. Try to pronounce them louder than the other consonants with higher pitch and a more explosive sound. It should be said with emphasis. Unlike the aspirated simple consonants, you should not feel the air coming out of your mouth. 끄, 끄, 뜨, 뜨, 뿌, 뿌, 수, 수, 쯔, 쯔. That's it for today. For some of the letters, it might not be easy at first, but with practice, you can do it. I hope this video helped you to review the pronunciation of the Korean alphabet. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another video soon. See you next time, guys. Bye bye. 다음에 또 만나요. 안녕.